Hey everybody, this is David here once again at another Solnex video. I want to share with you and break down some contract information for you because basically that's really what people want to know. Show me the money. Really, that's how I was. Show me the money and then I'll figure out the rest later. So we're going to go through that. I sent out a video yesterday to my YouTube channel that showed you what I'm involved with is obviously Solnex. I've been on hiatus for about 2, 3 months and haven't done anything because nothing's worth looking at. Scams are everywhere. They're at the highest level I've ever seen. I've been online for 20 years and shamefully lost some money that I thought I did some really good due diligence with, and that didn't seem to matter. It's no different with Solnex either. Listen, it's not investment advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing and how it works and what the money is. And so that's what we're going to look at here is how to choose your Solnex contract. So really there's four different things you can do here. You can start up for as little as $50, right? You pay $50. The bank loans, there's 5 banks from India. They loan you $16,400 immediately in your account, not you. They loan your account. You don't own, you're not getting any to loan. And this is not an investment. This is a project. So none of this is investing at all. This has nothing to do with investing. It's a project, not investing, just so you understand that. So $50 will net you $19.18 per day for a total benefit of $7,000 in 365 days. Not bad, man. I mean, where else are you going to do that? Now, some of you may believe this or not, but listen, hey, BitNex, I've seen a lot of contracts. I've done a lot of videos on my channel in the past that have paid out, literally paid out people on the contracts. And Solnex is doing the exact same thing. It's just shorter time frame, less expensive to get involved with, right? So you have the Pro where you pay $100. The bank loans your account 35,200. Your benefit is $41.10 for a total benefit of $15,000 in 365 days. Now, they have these other two promotional contracts that are probably got 170 some days left. So what they're saying is if you pay $500 of the $50 contracts, right? You're going to get 15 contracts in total, right? And so your daily profit is $287.70 for a total benefit of $105,000 within 365 days from now. Imagine that. Imagine that if it could do that. Now, nobody's gotten paid out yet, but I think it's got really good potential. We'll see. Don't put money that you can't lose, you know what I mean? Not your rent, not your food, not anything like that, but money you can afford to lose. And you can pick away at, these smaller amounts. And if you want to come in at these levels, there's a lot of leverage here. So the Promo Pro, you get 15 $100 contracts, right? That's what it's saying. Your profit daily is $616 for a total profit of $225,000 within 365 days from now. How incredible is that? Now, there is not compounding here. BitNex has compounding. They compounding. That's where the numbers get a little more leveraged over there as well. So these are not compounding numbers. They are what they are. And Solnex, if you don't meet the criteria of $7,000 by the end of your contract, they will make the difference up. Now, there's a video on my page that you want more details on how this works. Definitely go there. It's about 15 minutes long. It's very well done in every little detail that you need to know about Solnex A to Z. When I look at a project, I want to go, where is the money? And I want to show you the money. And this is how the money works. 50, 100, $500 will get you 15 $50 contracts for $105,000. And then the 15X Pro, you're paying the $100 contract. You get 15 of those for a total of $225,000 in 365 days from now. I've been looking at this for several months, and I have recently put my money where my mouth is. I dropped 2 contracts in just recently to get the ball rolling, and I'll be purchasing more, of course. I just wanted to get a few contracts in there and then share this opportunity to others. I've already got 10 people have joined me, 4 or 5 that put money in. People love this concept here. So I'm not going to go through all of the dashboard. There's a lot of videos out there that go through that, but what I want to do is show you. You want to know where the promotional contracts are. You click on that big button up there. Once you register, it's free. We got 173 days left. Again, for the $500, you get 15 $50 contracts. The bank loans you $246,000, not you, your account. You get $287 a day, $105,000 in 365 days, and then your $10 you get purchasing 15 $100 contracts, and the bank is loaning your account $528,000. Again, these are the 2 staking platforms, Solana, BNB, $225,000 in 365 days, of which I'll be purchasing these real quickly here. It's really easy to join. I'm going to take you to my page here. Go to the link down in the description. This video I highly recommend that you watch. It goes into great detail exactly how BitNex works, or not BitNex, but Solnex from A to Z. It's a great breakdown. It's a great video. And at some point in time, I'm going to be creating a page for people who join my group that will be able to share with others if you guys want to make money on the other end of the spectrum. I'm a team builder, of course, but you do not have to promote this thing. You just sit on your damn hands and just wait for your money to come in. Click here to get started. Shows you how to register here, how to activate a contract, and you just sit and wait. And if you want to promote, I'm going to be putting out a page here. I'll be doing a video here soon about the updates on that. It'll be a page basically like this. Very simple, straightforward. It doesn't have to be anything more than this. This page converts at a very high level right now. And I'll be happy to share that with my team so we can grow the team concept if that's what you guys want to do. All right, you guys, this is David. I appreciate your time. I just wanted to show you the money, how that works, because I'm that type of guy. And then, this video here will go into great detail on all the nuances of Solnex, the banks, who they are, and where it's located, and how everything works. If you want all that detail, by all means, go to the link in the description on this channel. Click there. You're going to go to my page. If you want to join my team, click here. And I'll be more than happy to have you on my team. And at some point in time here, real soon, for those who want to promote this, I'm going to have a page just like this for you guys to promote. And I'll give you more details on that. Still working on that. So stay tuned to my channel here. That's it, people. I'm going to let you go. Stay tuned for my next Solnex video here in the next few days. Have a great time. We'll speak to you soon.